Yeah, so I fucked it again. It's up on blocks. I mean, I always look on the bright side of life. At least I've got a chance to repaint my swinging arm. If anybody knows what this hub is, let me know, because it's not a Sportster one. Somebody said it might be Gary Bang. I have no idea. Right, well, what happened was, and at 70 miles a bleeding hour, I'll have you know, flying across the Lord Yarborough's land, I was. It was glorious. It was glorious. It was really good. And then all of a sudden, bang, 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 bang. What the fuck is that? Very gingerly pull the clutch in, slow down, pull over. And essentially what that was two of the retainers for these bolts being flung off and smacking into the engine. Smacking into my leg. One smacked into my leg and the other went somewhere. Anyway, so I'm left with 4 snapped off bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I came home on one, very gingerly. Now this has happened before. And for this reason, because I just ride too hard. And it's just too much of a beast. You know, the XLH. The XLCH gets all the press, but in hell, you can tear some sprockets off with an XLH. To be honest, if I had the proper rear sprocket, it probably wouldn't do this. Right, here is a set of 5 bolts, which I do keep on hand. I shall order another set now before I use these. But that's not the real bugger. When I came to drift the wheel out, it was, it didn't want to come out. And I thought, well, this is strange. Is it rusted? What's happened? What had happened was this. Yeah, here's the spindle. It's not... It's got a thread on both ends, so again... Hang on. Yeah, again, we're not talking about a standard Sportster thing here. I'll get it with some light. Okay. It's the spindle, but it's bent. It's actually bent. It bent a 3/4 of an inch king spindle. So, still got home though. So I don't know, it's Friday, it's the evening. If I'm not working on Monday, I'll take it around the engineering places and say, can you press that straight for me, please? If not, it's going to be about 60 or 70 quid for a new one. And I've got no guarantee it'll fit, because like I said, it's a weird hub. So, cheery bye.